A while ago, recruitment company Hayes said it can cost up to 2.5 times an employee's salary to replace them when they leave an organisation. Now, sometimes you can actually stop people from leaving because maybe there was something missing that they were looking for in the organisation, and that's the only reason that they're leaving. However, in a lot of instances, organisations tend to look at their staff as a liability rather than an asset. Realistically, human capital is the most expensive thing in a business today. Sure, you can have equipment, but equipment you can rely on in general terms. Human nature suggests that we can't necessarily rely on people all the time. A computer, a piece of machinery won't get sick. Yeah, sure, it may break down, but you have a little more control over things through servicing, etc. With human capital, it relies so much on emotion, on activity, etc. So one of the most common things that you can do just to retain your human capital and encourage them to develop rather than depart your organisation is to regularly provide them with learning and development opportunities. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be sending them off to a $5,000 conference overseas. It can be something as simple as getting everybody together on a regular basis and just knowledge sharing ideas. Sometimes it's more about the connection, the knowledge sharing, the problem solving and the engagement that can actually make people feel more engaged in their organisations and less inclined to leave. The more you communicate and collaborate with your team, the greater the impact and the more likelihood that you will retain rather than lose your quality staff. How are you going about educating, supporting, and developing the productivity of your team with technology?